my name is Grace. Hi, my name is Gracie, and this is my science project. It's about amputations, and what an amputation is a surgery to remove a damaged limb in order to save the animal's life. So this is my dog Charlie, and he had to get an amputation. And there's a picture right here of him, and this is the x-ray. How we had to cut it off is because he got shot, and we don't know who did it, but here's the x-ray, and these little like white chips are the bullets, and I'm gonna let him go. Can I move this? Yeah. And a veterinarian is a doctor who specializes in treating animals for injuries and diseases. So if you've ever gone to like the vet for your dog, if it's sick or you just want to know something's wrong with it, there will be veterinarians there because it's a vet. And a limb is a arm or a leg of an animal or a person. We had to cut off his front leg, and there's a picture of a front leg right here. It's a dog's. He was damaged, which is a badly injured limb or limb with an infection that could kill the animal. So they also had to scrub him. When a doctor scrubs from their fingernails to their elbows to make sure they have no germs, they could give to the patient. And anesthetic is making part or all of an animal unable to feel pain by giving them medicine through a gas or a shot. So if you've ever gone to like the dentist, they might give you gas if they're gonna like pull out one of your tooth. Sutures is stitches that are used to sew a cat back together. I'm not so sure which what. And staples. He got, I don't remember which one he got, but he got something, but you can't see that anymore. So, and recovery is getting back to being healthy after being sick, injured, or having surgery. So you've gone to the doctor, or maybe you have a broken finger or broken leg, you might have to stay there for a couple of hours so they can do an x-ray and they can wrap it up. And maybe it takes like a week or two for it to recover. And then these are myths. These are myths about dogs if they get amputations. Large dogs did poorly after surgery. Dogs with arthritis can't get an amputation. Surgery is too painful for dogs. Old dogs can't recover from an amputation. Dogs with amputated limbs have low quality of life. None of that's true, because he does perfectly fine. Because our dog Charlie, he does perfectly fine, and he was way worse before he before we didn't cut it off. Dogs do very well with amputations. In fact, there's a common saying around veterinarian circles that says dogs have 3 legs and a spare because dogs are able to recover so quickly from an amputation. And then down here is steps for doing an amputation. Make sure there is no other option to treat the damaged limb because amputation is irreversible. Step 2. Once surgery is scheduled, euthanize the dog for this surgery. The dog must be completely sedated. Clip the hair around the surgery area. So in this picture, they cut off all of the hair in that area because there's an open wound. If they get anything in it and then they put it back together, he could get an infection and then he could die. Then scrub the area with antibacterial soap. I already talked about that right there. Cover the area with a clean cloth and only an opening for the surgery itself. A scrub surgeon makes a skin excision, sticks the way muscles, transects bone, and then repairs the dissected tissue. Close the skin using sutures or staples. Hospitalize the dog overnight for pain management and monitor any post-op complications like an infection. Keep the area dry and clean until sutures or staples can be removed. It usually takes 10 to 14 days. Watch your dog adapt a new life with 3 legs and pain-free. That's what amputation is all about.